life? If you had one day left, what would you do?
That's an odd question.
I'd just like to know.
Before we begin, I noticed that most viewers of this channel haven't subscribed yet. If you want to be updated whenever I upload new videos, please subscribe to my channel and be part of our growing community. Lastly, don't skip ads to support the channel. Thanks, and I love you so much.
It's an easy answer. A no-brainer. I'd spend it with you.
Really?
Yeah, of course. Just being together, kind of like now. Doing nothing.
That's it. Nothing else.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it.